Aquarius, today, buzzing ang mind mo parang radio picking up signals from everywhere. Today brings ideas, insights, and sudden realizations. Sa career, may conversation or random thought na pwedeng mag-trigger ng creative solution. Write things down. Kahit weird an idea ngayon, it might become brilliant later. Sa love, Aquarius, mental connection is your love language today. Kung single ka, may taong makaka-appreciate ng unique humor at perspective mo. Kung may partner ka, magandang araw para pag-usapan ng future dreams or plans na medyo unconventional. Sa health, bantayan ang sleep schedule. Kapag kulang ka sa pahinga, nagiging scattered ang focus mo. Emotionally, you're embracing individuality more than approval. At kapag totoo ka sa sarili mo, mas gumagaan ang interactions mo sa ibang tao. Sa money, avoid experimental financial moves for now. Research first. Compatible sign, Gemini. Lucky color, electric blue. Lucky number, 11. Message of the day, Aquarius, your originality is your advantage.
Follow kung gusto mo pa ng daily forecast.